Hey everybody, Russell here, and today I'm going to be trying a new recipe that I'm making up in my head. I'm going to start off with these boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Open these up here, and I'm going to put them in my crock pot on low. I love these thighs. I love the flavor of the meat. Alright. I'm going to wash my hands real quick here after handling that meat. Cleanliness is very important. Alright, I got me some Jake Bees here. A little Cajun seasoning, Jake Bees. Throw that in there. Got some garlic powder. Gonna throw that in there. Got me some onion powder. Gonna throw that in there. And then just to make sure that they don't get dried out on me while they're cooking, I'm gonna throw a little bit of water in. Alright. Come closer. Alright, and this is what they look like. And we will see in a few hours the results. It's been a few hours, and get a look in here. There's my chicken thighs. Looking pretty good. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pull those out. Get some of the juice off of them. Pull a couple of these out. And I'm putting them in my mixer here. And chop them up here. Alright, and I got some shredded chicken. Get a look in there, hon. Got some shredded chicken there. Alright. And what I'm going to do is I got my Alfredo sauce. So I'm going to get this off of here. And I'm going to take my Alfredo sauce and I'm going to come over here. I made some egg noodles. I'm going to throw my Alfredo sauce in here like this. This is just kind of a quick, easy meal. You can make most of it in the crock pot. I'm going to grab my chicken here. See my nice shredded chicken? I'm going to dump that in here. And now, I'm just going to stir this up. And voila, we have us a nice Alfredo chicken casserole with chicken thighs. And it's not a, you know, like no fancy meal, but I know my wife and kids will love it, and I'm gonna have something else. I'll show you what it looks plated up at the end, but a nice little meal. Okay.